Curb appeal plays a major role in how a home is perceived, especially in a city like Baltimore where neighborhoods are rich with architectural character and closely spaced homes. From classic row houses to single-family residences, windows are one of the most visible exterior features. When windows look outdated, mismatched, or worn, they can detract from an otherwise beautiful home. Upgrading to pre-made windows is a smart, efficient way for Baltimore homeowners to enhance curb appeal while improving overall performance. Here's how pre-made windows help elevate the exterior appearance of Baltimore residences. Clean, uniform appearance instantly refreshes the home. Older homes often have windows that vary slightly in style, size, or condition due to past repairs or partial replacements. Pre-made windows offer standardized designs that create a clean, consistent look across the exterior. This uniformity makes the home look well-maintained, creates visual balance and symmetry, modernizes the facade without drastic changes. In Baltimore neighborhoods where homes sit close together, a polished window appearance makes a noticeable difference. Styles that complement Baltimore architecture. Pre-made windows are available in a wide range of styles that align well with Baltimore's diverse architecture, from historic row houses to modern townhomes. Popular options include double-hung windows for traditional homes, casement windows for updated or contemporary designs, grid patterns that reflect historic character. Choosing a style that complements the home's architecture enhances authenticity while still providing a fresh update. Updated frame colors add visual contrast. Many older windows fade, discolor, or clash with exterior finishes over time. Pre-made windows offer modern frame color options that enhance curb appeal. Homeowners often choose crisp white frames for a classic look, black or dark frames for bold contrast, neutral tones that blend with brick and siding. The right frame color can highlight architectural details and give the exterior a more refined appearance. Slimmer frames increase glass visibility. Modern pre-made windows are designed with slimmer frame profiles than older models. This increases visible glass area, making windows look larger and more inviting from the outside. Benefits include brighter-looking facades, a lighter, more open appearance, enhanced visual connection between inside and outside. This design upgrade helps Baltimore homes feel more modern without altering their structure. Improved proportions enhance symmetry. Windows that are poorly sized or improperly installed can throw off the proportions of a home's exterior. Pre-made windows are manufactured with consistent dimensions that improve alignment and symmetry. Proper proportions strengthen the home's architectural lines, create a balanced, cohesive look, make facades appear more intentional and polished. This is especially valuable for row houses where visual consistency matters. Glass options add style without complication. Pre-made windows can include decorative or energy-efficient glass options that subtly enhance curb appeal. Options include frosted or textured glass for privacy, grid inserts for classic detailing, clear, high-clarity glass for a clean, modern look. These features add character without overwhelming the exterior design. Low-maintenance materials keep homes looking new. Pre-made windows are typically constructed from durable, low-maintenance materials such as vinyl or composite frames. These materials resist peeling, fading, and corrosion. Homeowners benefit from long-lasting appearance, less upkeep over time, consistent curb appeal year after year. This is particularly important in Baltimore's varying weather conditions. Faster installation means immediate visual impact. Because pre-made windows are manufactured to standard sizes, installation is often faster than fully custom solutions. This allows homeowners to enjoy improved curb appeal quickly. Quick upgrades reduce disruption, deliver immediate exterior transformation, improve overall home presentation, increased property value and buyer appeal. Curb appeal directly influences property value. New windows are one of the first upgrades buyers notice. Pre-made windows signal recent updates, enhance first impressions, increase resale potential. A smart upgrade for Baltimore homes. Pre-made windows offer Baltimore homeowners an efficient, affordable way to dramatically improve curb appeal. With clean lines, modern frame options, improved symmetry, and low-maintenance materials, they refresh the exterior while respecting the city's architectural charm. For homeowners looking to enhance appearance, boost value, and create a polished exterior, pre-made windows are a practical upgrade that delivers immediate and lasting visual impact.